Hey friends, if you want to know on how you can fix where the Roblox application is not launching and not opening on your Windows 10 or your Windows 11, then please watch this video and I will guide you on how you can fix that. So first is we need to make sure our Windows is up to date. So click on the start button and then go to settings. On the left pane, click on Windows Update. In here, you need to check for updates by clicking on this button. So once you have updated your Windows, search for Roblox in the Windows search bar. This one, the Roblox player. Right click and then select Run as Administrator and see if that helped you launch the Roblox application. Now, it has helped me to launch the Roblox application. So in your case, you can also do that. So here you just have to sign in and then you can also create account. So once that is done, or once that helped you fix the issue, if in some cases there are still cases that it doesn't help or running it as administrator doesn't launch or open the Roblox application, then what we'll have to do is we need to uninstall the application. So click on the start button and go to settings. On the left pane, click on apps. Click on installed apps. Then here you need to look for the Roblox. So type here Roblox. Then click on this three dots and then select uninstall and then uninstall once again. So once you have uninstalled the application, open a browser. It could be Edge or Google Chrome browser. So let's go with the Microsoft Edge. Then here in the search bar, just type Roblox. Download. Click on this. Then you have here www.roblox.com. Click on download Roblox. Then here we have to click on download Windows app. And the installer file will be downloaded. Double click. And this is reinstalling Roblox into our Windows. So we just have to wait for this. So this is now starting the Roblox application. So once you have reinstalled the application, then the Roblox application will launch this time. So here you just have to create an account if you haven't have an account yet or Roblox account, or if you have already an account, then just click on sign in right here. Then you just have to enter your username and your password. So I hope this video helped you. Please do not forget to hit the like button and please also subscribe to the channel. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.